for the headbutt, and then you poked him. What's your story?
First off, I want to thank God for the victory. The Lord God always wouldn't be possible. I want to thank my team. I got hit with a dirty shot, and I took this up at all times. I hit him with a left hook right hand, and that ended the bout.
So you're saying that even though it appeared that he wasn't protecting himself and thought that that was part of the ceremony that you were going through of apology, that you unfairly took advantage of it. What do you say to those who say, what'd you do there? You were winning the fight in charge.
I just want to thank everybody that bought pay-per-view. They came out to Las Vegas. Thank you. It was a hell of a fight.
You know, you're a promoter, but now we're talking to you as a prize fighter. Let's take a look at what happened at the end of the fight, and you describe it.
We touched gloves. We got the fight hook. Right hand. And that's all she wrote.
So for you, it was just an automatic response. Let's get on with the fight.
Just protect yourself at all times. He done something dirty. We're not here to cry and complain about what he did dirty or what I did dirty. I was victorious. If he want a rematch, he can get a rematch.
You were in charge of the fight. You were aggressive and trying and taking advantage of what you saw before.
You'll never give me a fair shake. You know that? Someone's going to let you talk to Vince Ortiz, all right? I'm through. They put somebody else up and give me an interview.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? You never give me a fair shake. HBO needs to fire you. You don't know shit about boxing. You ain't shit. You're not shit.
I wish I was 50 years younger and I'd kick your ass.
You
Yeah.